Okay, updates. I have filmed putting the water pump on, putting the oil pan on, priming the engine. I also filmed taking off the front clip of this, but my micro SD card failed on me. It crashed and I lost almost everything. I still have the footage of this, removing this, so I have some of that, but I lost everything on the engine. Not a big deal, just a water pump and an oil pan install, but I am going to redo the priming. I'm going to prime the engine again. Will hurt, definitely. Kind of film that for those that want to see it. So, but yeah, there you go. Brought it upstairs after filming it all, and then popped it in the computer, started downloading everything, got some of these videos, and bam, it crashed. So, tried to recover it, and recovered something, but it wasn't a video. It was just a bunch of data that didn't mean anything or do anything. So, but anyway, there you go. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, like I said before, lost all the footage of doing this. I'm going to do it again. I am priming the engine. I recommend doing this in the engine bay, of course, but I'm going to do it here because I want to make sure that every single rocker gets oil. I want to hear those lifters gurgle and so on and so forth. So, priming it today. Probably everyone knows how to do it. You can Google it real quick, but I figured I'd just put it in here. Things you missed, like I mentioned, I also put the oil pan on, and just things that like nobody really needs to see, but you know. Anyway, the footage is long gone, but I am gonna redo this. So I'm priming the engine. Step one, drill, extension. Ta-da. And then I have a fourth, is the at least 302/88 Windsor size, if you will, of the oil pump rod off of the distributor. So here we go. I'm going to prime it, show you guys that, and move on to the next thing. You also have engine oil in your valley. And then bam, just like that, your engine's primed. I do not have my oil sending unit in over here, so it's leaking profusely out the side here. I put a little bolt in, but I do not have the proper thread. Anyway, there you go. Made sure that everything goes, oil at each lifter, oil at each rod, and oil at each rocker. So there you go, your engine's primed. It is oiled everywhere, ready to go for install. It's time for a new crown oil bottle. Document